Okay, on the fashion stage, my guest now is certainly making waves. Actually, she's making ruffles too with her vibrant avant-garde pieces. Fashion designer Katie Nicely is here with us this morning. Nice to have you, lady. Good to have you here. How are you?
Thank you. I'm great.
Good. So, your own clothing line, what's the line called?
This one doesn't really have a name, a specific name, but it's inspired by the Bougainvillas.
Is it?
Yes. It's always all over the place, and I was like, these are so beautiful. Let me create a line out of it.
It's always amazing how designers find inspiration.
Yes.
That you would just see Bougainvillas around the place and think,
And
oh my gosh.
like every morning I walk past and I was like, these will look so good in clothing, you know?
We're going to see some of your designs in a bit, but first I want to talk about how you ended up here.
Okay.
You went to UA, you started your degree in political science. Now you're making fashion.
Yes.
Was this always something that you had in your hand? How did you learn to sew? How did you learn to sketch, to style, to design? Because it's not an easy thing.
No, it's not. It's a lot of techniques that you have to learn and pick up. But my aunts and my grandma, they had machines around the house, so I had always have to be adjusting, and doing that I kind of acquired the skills of, you know, body and how the body works. And then I modeled for Saint International, and then I was like, you know, modeling is so, there's a lot of girls in it, and it's not really a business for me, you know, like designing is more of a legacy that I can leave on, and I really, really did love it.
You loved the fashion aspect of it.
Yes, I love being the designer.
Gotcha.
I think that's like the most important thing in fashion.
You're,
you know?
You're a creative mind.
Right.
Clearly. Okay.
So I asked, do I want here just to let me showcase a collection? And he said yes, and that was it.
Bless him. So
Yeah.
he helped you get your start.
Yes, and he gave me the platform.
Okay.
So that's when everybody started seeing it. But like, I started doing the business aspect of it, like taking it like, this is actually what I want to do.
Right.
This is what is going to make me the money. About like in the last 2 years.
Okay. What's your aesthetic? We're going to see. You're wearing something now that you
Yes,
made.
this is me.
I want to take those pants off you so bad.
I know.
I mean,
they're
I
gorgeous.
know that sounds like guys, but meaning it's so fantastic. Can you stand up so we can see?
Oh,
so this is your own design that
Yes.
you're wearing. So I said to her, I love your pants. And she was like, yes, I made them. For everybody who know my aesthetic, I'm a Bigfoot pants girl.
Yeah.
So this is lovely.
Thank you.
But let's have a look at stuff from your Bougainvillea inspired line. So
Yeah.
first model, please come on out. Let's see what you're wearing from Katie. And not you, Neville. You are after. Ooh, talk to me.
Okay, so this top is called the Utopia. And you know, that's a beautiful place. I was just listening to some music and I felt like it was beautiful and I just created it. At first when I did it, I was like, people are not going to like this. They're going to say, what is this? But then it was the only thing from out of the collection that actually could be mass-produced and sold.
Gotcha. Because you have to
Like
think about all
streetwear.
those things.
Yes.
You're
And
really talking about the business of this thing for
Yes.
truth. Yeah.
yes.
So let me ask you a question. Who is this? I know in fashion, I hear you guys ask all the time. Who is this woman? Where is she going? So who is this girl and where is she going?
Okay, this is a girl who have an important place to go and they just want everybody to see them.
Yes.
And they are, so most girls would buy this top if they're going to a birthday party, like their birthday, they say, okay, I can just wear this with anything and it will just work.
Yeah.
You just want to work, you don't have to be like the fashion girl, you just want to stand out at that moment.
But
so,
you put that top on with a pair of jeans.
with a
you can dress it
jeans,
up,
a
pair of
bikini.
pants, like
Exactly.
yours.
So it works with skirts.
Versatile.
Yes, so that's what I'm saying. It's not really the woman, it's basically how you want to feel at that time.
Gotcha, girl. I'm with you. Can we see the next piece from Katie Nicely's fashion design line? Talk us through this.
Okay, so this is the portrait dress. You can see a little bit of Victorian, I would say the Mona Lisa kind of vibe. And then the inspired Bougainvilleas at the end of the sleeves, even though they're black. But you know, a lot of people don't really want the colors. That can actually be worn with a pants as well, a leggings.
Katie, I love this.
Yes, thank you so
It's
much.
so easy breezy, but classy and
You can wear it actually to a club, to a brunch.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay, thank you very much. Let's see the next piece that you brought out today. And you can talk us through this piece.
Okay.
All right? Yes. Ooh, I think this is my favorite.
So that is the peppy dress. It's peppy, you know what peppy means, you know, chirpy and fun. So
The color is
yes.
beautiful. And there you go again with your signature ruffles.
With the ruffles and also with the whole bougainvillea theme.
So she's going to a wedding or
Wedding, brunch.
Yes.
You know, one of those breakfast parties. And you just, as I said, the clothing, you want to be the girl they talk about when you go there. So without being too risky.
Yes, I got
you know.
you.
So it's very elegant, also with a lot of details. So they say, okay, she looks expensive and polished.
And she does.
Yes.
Your models are beautiful, by the way.
Yes,
Is
they
that
are.
your last lady?
No,
Is that the
there's
last
another
piece? There's one more piece?
Yes.
All right, so let's see the last piece coming out. And you talk us through this one before we wrap it up. All right. Talk to us about this girl now.
This is the Philippine dress. It has a lot of ruffles, and Philippine is like the Victorian era. So it can be worn to, you know, most people, a lady actually bought one to wear to dinner with her husband because it's very elaborate, as you can see, and glamorous. Can be worn on the red carpet.
Yes,
like
yes.
I got orders from like people who are going to like galas and stuff like that, and also for girls going to balls and you know.
So you custom make as well?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Wow. All right. Can we have all the ladies come out? Katie, and you are doing amazing things.
Thank you.
I can only imagine where you're going to go. You have youth on your side, and so the future is yours to just grab and
Thank you
hug
so
up
much.
and do whatever you want to make of it. There is her information on screen. It's Katie and Nicely exclusive. If you're on Instagram, is that the same handle if you're on Facebook?
Facebook as well, yes.
All right, so guys, and there's her phone number. If you want to get one of these beautiful dresses that you've seen, I see a whole heap of people looking at it and saying, yes, I find the thing for the wedding, or yes, I find the thing for that, whatever I have to go to. Something for everybody. Appreciate that. Thank you for stopping in
Thank you
this
for having
morning.
me.
And all the best to you.
Thank you so
May
much.
all your dreams be realized. Fashion designer Katie and Nicely and her beautiful models. Ladies, smile for the camera. Katie, go stand up with them, man, because you're going to Katie and Nicely design. Come there, Fred. Me know you want to. Our final model for this morning, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Neville Wentworth. Boo! Bell, you spoiled it, Bishop.
We are boo.
You spoiled it, Bishop. You just spoiled. Okay, good job, good job.
Okay.
Yeah, he can't help himself. We'll be right back.